Hi, this is George Puckett, Mexico MySpace Classified Ads. Today we're returning to Baja California, to the city of Ensenada, where I lived for 7 years. We're looking at a home priced pretty good at $129,000, and it's got great ocean views, and it's above the Marina, the Hotel Coral or Coral Marina. And I had lunch there a number of times. It's a beautiful hotel. It's the house, the property is just 1 hour south of the border, south of San Diego, and it already has financing in place through our friend Doug Jones of Mexico Mortgages. This is a one-story house, 1,500 square feet, and 1,000 square feet of wood decking. It's really a beautiful property. We're going to look at some pictures from Photo Bucket, because he has many more photographs there than on our site. Okay, here we go. Here's a picture of the deck overlooking the ocean. 1,000 square feet, remember? Another picture of the deck. The kitchen, pretty sunny. Another view of the kitchen. And here's the rooster overlooking his domain. Bathroom, kitchen again. And this is his office with computers and all. It already has Wi-Fi. Kitchen looking out the window. And here's a view of a cruise ship in the bay. It kind of looks like the Queen Mary, but I can't be sure. But I do know the Queen Mary docks there twice a year on its round-the-world cruise. I believe this is the Hotel Coral here and Marina. Lovely place. The backyard. There's plenty of room out front to park RVs. And a picture of the house. So that's about it. $129,000 and change. And who knows, the owner might negotiate. Check it out. Thanks for watching.